In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload multiple documents to a DocuSign envelope. To get started, open DocuSign and go to the main sending page. Once you're there, look for the Start area on the screen. Depending on your layout, you may either select Start directly or use one of the other available options that lead you into creating a new envelope. The goal here is simply to begin a new sending workflow. Next, click on Get Signatures. This will take you into the envelope preparation screen, where you can add the files that need to be sent out for signing. If you're working with several related documents, this is where DocuSign lets you combine them into a single envelope so everything can be managed together. From here, click Upload. DocuSign will then ask you where the files are coming from. Select the source of the file, whether that's your computer or another connected location. After choosing the source, select the documents you want to upload. You can do this in one of two ways. Either choose multiple files all at once, or add them one by one. Both methods work, so use whichever is easier based on how your files are organized. Once the documents are uploaded, take a moment to review them and make sure everything you need is included. If your envelope is ready to go, you can continue by adding your message and moving forward with sending it. If you're not ready to send yet, that's completely fine. DocuSign gives you the option to save your progress so you don't lose the uploaded documents. To do that, click the X button to exit the current preparation screen. When prompted, click Save and Close. This stores the envelope as a draft, which is helpful if you still need to confirm details, add recipients later, or come back to include additional documents. After saving, the envelope will appear in your drafts. From there, you can return to it anytime. Just click Continue on the draft to reopen it, make updates, or upload more documents if needed. This is especially useful when you're collecting files from different places or preparing a packet over time instead of all at once. And that's it. That's how to upload multiple documents to a DocuSign envelope and save your work if you're not ready to send right away. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your document workflow a little easier and more organized.